Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn the integration of Cypress with BDD. So let's get started. Yeah. So just open the terminal, click on new terminal, and we have to follow step by step. So first step is install Cypress Cucumber preprocessor. So here is the command. So we need to just type this command into the terminal. Okay, and click on enter. So it will install the cypress cucumber preprocessor. I think it will take some time, so we have to wait till it installed. Once it will be installed, it will be show under the package.js file. Yeah, I think the cucumber preprocessor got installed, so let's check its version. So we can see cypress cucumber preprocessor and its version is 4.3.1. Yeah, we have completed the first step. Now navigate to next step. Okay, so need to add below code in cypress.config.js file. Okay, so I will go to cypress.config.js file, and you can see, so we need to add this code at the top. Okay, here I will paste, click on enter, and I will replace module.exports with this entire code. Okay, control V and save. Okay, now navigate to third step. Okay, need to add below code in package.js file after the dev dependencies section. Okay, so I will just copy this and navigate to package.json. So package.json, and after dev dependencies just give the comma and add this code. And if suppose you want to format your code in Windows, you can press shift alt F. Okay, shift alt F. Okay, I think it's already formatted. File save all. Now navigate to next step. Okay, so we need to create test.feature file under e2e feature. So before creating test.feature file, we need to create the features folder for the writing the features, and page objects folder for the storing our step definition. So quickly I will create features and page objects folder under the e2e. Okay, so click on cypress, there is e2e, just click on e2 before creating. So these two folders uh, means we will not require, so I am just deleting these two folders. Okay, and advance. Okay, just click on delete. Okay, now I will click on e2e, and here is the icon. Okay, first one is related to file and second one is related to folder, so click on second one, click on new folder and just paste features and click on enter. Okay, now second one is page objects. Okay, so just copy and you can click on e2e, then click on second icon and click and paste. So and click on enter. So we have created features and page objects, these two folders. Okay, now okay, um yeah, now we will create test.feature. So go to the feature section, so click on file icon and just paste test.feature. Okay, so here we need to write. Okay, so first tag is feature. Okay, so I will just type feature colon, and we have to give uh, the feature name. Here you can give any feature name. Okay, then after that we need to write the scenario. Okay, and if suppose we want to segregate the scenarios, if suppose there are multiple scenarios and we have to segregate, then at that time we can use tag name as well. Okay, so let me just write scenario. Okay, no, scenario only. Okay, and we can provide scenario name. After that we have to give steps. Okay, and if suppose you want to format your code, then just press shift alt f. So, okay, so it will format your code. Okay, so, so for the tagging purpose, so you can give any tag. Okay, at the rate gm, at the rate aa. Okay, and save your code. Okay, file, save all. Now navigate to page objects folder, and we have to create test.js under e2e page objects. Okay, so page objects, click on plus icon. Okay, then you can give any name for the feature files as well as page objects file. There is no restriction. Okay, now we have to type. Okay, this we have to create step steps. Okay, so in this format we can create. So I will give all these details under the description. Okay, then shift alt f, control c. Okay, right now I'm trying to open the source demo website. Okay, so before that, so I will just explain under the package.json file. Okay, we have provided the step definition path. You can see so cypress, then e2e, then page objects. Under page objects uh, there will be multiple step definition files, so it will accept all those files. So that's why I have given cypress e2e page objects. Okay, and there is another cypress.config.js file. You can see we have given specPattern is nothing but the feature file paths. So you can see cypress e2e. Okay, um, cypress e2e. So under e2e, whatever the features files now, so it will accept all the dot features file. Okay, so file, save all, it's already saved. Now click on terminal, new terminal. Okay, and just type npx cypress open. We have created the one scenario using the BDD. So let's try to execute whether it's execute or not. Okay, now click on E2E testing. We have to select any browser, so I have selected Chrome browser. Okay, it's showing no spec found. Okay, let me try to view complete path. Features. Click on file, save all. Yeah, you can see. So I have provided the complete path, Cypress E2 features, then it's showing Test.features. Okay, so just click on it, so it will run. Yeah, I think we have done the configuration parts, and it will open the source demo site. Yeah, yeah. So in this video I have completed the integration of Cypress with BDD. Okay, thanks for watching.